Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section over here. Now select this gray sweater next to Adapt Brightness feature. As you can see, after that, auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same sweater again. If you wish to, you can also go into Tab menu, look for brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If you can see an icon on it, that means that auto brightness is on. In order to switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. And if a sun appears, that means that it's off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!